Hi friends, in today's video, let's learn some tips and tricks on how to care for Peperomia Obtusifolia or baby rubber plant. Peperomia Obtusifolia is a succulent-like variety of Peperomia originally found in the rainforests of South America. They are a popular choice for homes and public spaces because of their attractive leaves and compact size. Growing Peperomia Obtusifolia is easy once you have mastered a few key requirements. In their native habitat in the rainforests, Peperomia Obtusifolia grows in a soil filled with organic matter. It drains well but retains moisture. The best pH level for Peperomia is 6 to 6.6 or mildly acidic. Throw in a handful of compost for extra nutrients. Next comes watering. If anything, it's better to underwater rather than overwater this species. They do not tolerate sitting in standing water. Moderate watering during the growing season is usually sufficient. Allow the potting mix to dry out on the top few inches before watering. During the winter, you can let the soil dry out completely between waterings. The ideal temperature for Peperomia Obtusifolia ranges between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Basically, any temperature that you are comfortable in is a good temperature for baby rubber plant. Peperomia Obtusifolia humidity requirements are pretty reasonable. While the ideal humidity for this plant is very high, as would be expected for a rainforest nature, it will grow quite happily around 40 to 50% humidity. As far as lighting is concerned, most varieties of Peperomia plants prefer medium to bright indirect light, but can tolerate low indirect light. They are not suited for intense direct sun. You don't need to use a lot of fertilizer, but a regular light feedings will aid strong growth of the leaves. The easiest fertilizer for baby rubber plant is organic matter such as well-rotted compost or worm castings. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this plant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.